Alright, you're locked. This is good. I got some gear.
Dirt? No, that was the other one.
The other one was something also. I don't know.
Have a good time.
Yeah. Give me one of these. Ooh, that's not good. I almost peeled off. Let me get a... What's that stuck on?
There we go. They're on.
Cool.
How good's the mic on that camera?
It's pretty good. I don't know if I'll bleep that out though. It's kind of funny.
Bleep Maureen's fart out.
Oh, that was not her, that was her mouth. She didn't actually fart. So maybe this is not an 8.
Oh no. Is that hard?
Let me get this piece in and we'll see how hard I'm willing to try right now. This piece, this straw.
Right. On that huge thing.
Oh yeah.
I don't know what it looks like past that though.
This bank. Care. I just wanted to climb that crack. I didn't come here to climb sport. It's just a byproduct of the machine. Okay, so we got this and this little piece up to there. Some micro business. I'm just gonna bleep that out so you guys don't hear how ridiculous I'm being. See how to protect this. That's exciting. I know this is wind and walls and weathered leaves and tearing sails. Something in soon, but I'm having so much fun.
Cool up there?
Yeah, it's real good. What is that? What do we think that is? 0.3, 0.4? Point. So you point.
Run out past the bolt to there.
Yes, I am.
Just easy.
Yes.
Wow, you're my hero.
You know what? That looks pretty good. All right, I have a thing in. Stay here. first totem I've ever placed. We'll see. Ooh. Oh yeah, it works. It works like a cam.
I'm like a hero, dude.
Does it really look run out?
For the first piece it did.
Yeah, I guess so. It's pretty tame.
I can't really see over the slab though.
Okay.
It's like a bowl. And this route looks way more chill than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. Not complaining, just an observation though, eh?
Yeah. Way faster than the chimney. Like, do you just have to do like one move right there? To get to the thing?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
All right, so fun.